I am Karizma Cooper, and this is my Hyundai Tucson. I'm in school all the time. Coming out and seeing my new Tucson just energizes me.
The Hyundai Tucson. All-weather fun, all Hyundai quality. And every new Hyundai we sell comes with the Withnell Lifetime Warranty for no extra cost.
Other dealers can advertise a nice price, but when you consider your trade value and payment and everything, Withnell just beats them. My monthly payments are actually less now than with my old car. Their ads say only at Withnell.
Only at Withnell Hyundai in Salem.
Yeah, only at Withnell.